The reasons that we chose solar in the business simply was that the electricity costs are going through the roof at this moment in time. We as a company were very aware of that. It's having a huge effect on the overheads. So I had to make a decision on what we're going to do to offset that rising cost. We've also got a requirement for all our customers to reduce our carbon impact. And they're asking for us not just to do that immediately with what's your immediate plans for it, but also what is your long-term net zero ambition. So we've got to create a roadmap for that. So to address both issues, that was why we chose to go down the solar route, and we've got a huge factory footprint and a huge roof space to be able to utilise. We explored various options when it came to solar panels. There were a number of different companies in the market that were reaching out to us, and every company came to us with a different proposal and different options. All of those were worthwhile looking at and they were interesting. However, we have a legacy building. We have a property which has been here since the 70s, and for that reason what we didn't want to do was penetrate the roof in any way. All of the other options that were available to us wanted to penetrate the roof structure and anchor the solar panels onto the roof in a way that I felt was going to compromise the roof stability and structure. That was not workable for us long term. So we had to find a different solution. Airis absolutely had that. There was a solution there where we didn't need to penetrate the roof, and we were going to use an adhesive based system that was proved and that would enable us to anchor the solar panels with no risk. So from the very start of the project, I found that the backroom team were given a lot of information. There was a load of data, a load of charts, a load of graphs, which not just for me, but also the rest of the management team, really useful. Everybody could visualise what that would look like, what would the savings be, how would the process map out. And so that was really useful from the beginning of the project. But then when the team actually came on site, it was seamless. And I'm not just saying that, it was really professional. The engagement was there, the communications were really good. We had daily conversations about what the next steps were going to be and how the process was going to look, right the way through till after the process and after the solar panels themselves were installed. So since the installation, I've actually been surprised with the results. We installed the system over the winter. We then actually went live at the end of March. So that was when the DNO connection happened. We've not had that much sun. We've not had that good a weather since the installation. However, even during the first week where there was rain, we've generated £1,100 worth of free electricity. We've also saved what we measured was 5 tonnes worth of carbon. So in these early stages, I'm very happy with what we've seen so far, and there's only going to be better to come as we go through the summer months. I would absolutely recommend Airis to other people. I think the whole process has been extremely professional. I can't fault it. I think the process itself from the very outset has been fantastic. So yeah, we've already recommended Airis as a company to various other businesses within the Liverpool City region. There's a number of ex-colleagues who I've contacted as well who've been asking me about solar, and I've recommended Airis to them as well. The whole process has been extremely professional. I'm very happy.